Hello guys, today I have good day. Today I happy a little bit because people who be in Thailand, maybe live Thailand, maybe you have friend who live Thailand, and people know what Thailand have government lottery, and I am sometime buy Thai government lottery for good luck. And yesterday I check my lottery and I win a little bit, but I win, and it's okay. I happy too. And I show how looking lottery. This Thai government lottery. And now I show you how I check and where and how I check lottery, how I understand I win or don't win. And now I open website, my smartphone, and check, and you look too. This special website, government lottery, have name Sanuk. And okay, you see my number, and I check here my number. Lottery 929617 and check. Okay, and the government website tell me I win 2000 baht. 2000 baht, it's not a lot, but why not? It's money too. Thailand, it's normal money. I can go buy food. For me, I like buy food and cook my room. It's normal money. I can use 2000 baht and I can cook and live and eat food around 2, maybe around 3 weeks. It's normal for me. And okay, I show you what I win, and now I go and give my ticket people and who sell this ticket, and he give me money. But I have not 2000 baht because I win 2000 baht, but people give me around maybe 1900 baht because I need pay tax because I win. I need pay tax government Thailand. And okay, now you go with me and you can look how I do and how people give me money. Okay, let's go. So guys, first place where I stop for try take money, it's street market near my room, and now we go look people stay or not stay here who can give me money, what I win. And first place, and we go check and look. Let's go together. And today with me again my girlfriend, Thai woman, and she. And we can look a little bit how Thai people sell food. And you can follow me, my channel, and next time I take video about Thai food, how people sell and what. And I buy food and try, delicious or not. Okay, first place we can talk. Before I take money here. Yes. Can? Okay, and Thai people tell yes, she can give me money, my ticket. And Thai people to come who win and give ticket. I take video a little bit because sometimes Thai people don't like when take video. And I think he has special application for check ticket. Win or not win.
มี200ไหม
And help me for check.
$40
40 baht. Okay, and tax have price 40 baht. I have 1 minute. Oh, have 20. You have
40 บาท
40? No.
หักไปเลยไหมได้ได้จะมีเลขร้อยก็ได้นะ ไม่มีนะ
I don't have only 20 baht. And she tell me, okay. No problem. Okay. And okay. Guys, I have money win for ticket. Happy a little bit. And we can write comment under my video who buy ticket, who win too. I wait you. Thank you very much.